DJ ARKULEN. Outdoor sound, bass is near, thunder rising, loud and clear, 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 clear. In the scene, thunder sound, bass goes wide, deep vibration moves outside. Feel the pressure, feel the wave. DJ ARKULEN brings the bass. Space, strong low flow, bass keeps moving nice and slow. Clean kick, heavy line, speaker power right on time. Not too much, still so deep. Outdoor bass starts to breathe. Every system, every place finds its own deep bass. Pressure rising, sound is wide, low and energy moves outside. Bass gets deeper, air gets tight. Thunder sound through the night. Hold the line, let it breathe. Deep sound moving underneath. Clean pressure, heavy wave. DJ ARKULEN brings the bass. Thunder sound, bass goes wide, deep vibration moves outside. Feel the pressure, feel the wave. DJ ARKULEN brings the bass. Outdoor bass, clean sound, low pressure, all around. Bass test, sound check. Bass test, sound check. Thunder wave, deep tone, speaker power in the zone. Listen wide, listen low, let the bass freely flow. Strong but clean, deep but clear. Thunder sound is moving here. One more rise, one more wave. Let the speaker show the bass. No rush, no noise, just bass and voice. Thunder sound.